Begin our Krispy Kreme coffee talk this morning with something pretty sweet. Thanks to Maurice Drummond's write-in campaign, Crumbl cookies dropped off their flavors of the week. He's been talking since he found out he was going to fill in on this show. Mo's been a little excited.
I'm always in the other studio, and I'm gonna tell you, and I can smell them right now from where you're sitting, and so they are absolutely incredible.
Crumbl cookies, flavors of the week.
They look heavy, by the way.
It's like eating a pie. These things, they're so big. So Great Day reveals these 4 flavors every Monday that you can get at Crumbl Cookies out in Des Peres and Cottleville. You ready for this week's flavors?
Sure, let's do it.
We're going to go from kind of top left to bottom right there. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
You can pick up the following specialty flavors. You got the Double Trouble, the Muddy Buddy, the Raspberry Cheesecake.
That's got my name on it, yes.
Man. You pack a napkin. And then Midnight Mint. On the far right. I don't know if you can see the little mint flecks of green in there.
I can see it.
Plus, they got their regular flavors, the milk chocolate chip, the chilled sugar. Crumbl Cookies offers both contactless delivery and curbside options. Their stores will also remain open for socially distanced takeout orders.
You know, Matt, when I came in, I was also looking for that cookie where you put the maple syrup on it. I was waiting to see him, but he wasn't there.
You got to wait till it comes back around. Patience. Crumbl Cookies is located in Des Peres and Cottleville. The phone number for each location is on your screen there. For more information, the website is Crumbl, without an E, crumbl.com.